Good morning, guys. It's cold, it's early. Now, even though it's cold and it's early, it's gonna be a super exciting day because today we're going to take a drone certificate. It's a 3-day course and it costs a buckload of money, but there are some benefits, and later on I'm gonna just highlight some of them, because taking this certificate gives you a whole lot of opportunities that you're not allowed to as a private person. So hopefully in 3 days I'm gonna be a licensed drone pilot. The place where I'm taking the drone certificate, they actually teamed up with a place called Drone Vault. And these guys, they sell drones, and I'm hoping that I'm allowed to bring the camera in to show you some of the drones they have, because they are extremely cool. You're gonna love it. You're gonna love it. I'm really crossing my fingers, hoping that they will allow me to film the drones. I'm not sure I'm gonna be able to film the lessons themselves, because it's kind of a trade secret, or well, that's what they get paid for. So why would they let me film the class? But I'm gonna film as much as I can. Stay tuned. So right now we're on our way to fly our drones. We had all first part of the day in the classroom. Now really excited to go fly the drones.